We are heading to CK Tang, revamped food court, food street. Yakun Tous has changed its place over to the left hand side. And we have Tualajas who took over Yakun's place. I first encountered Tualajas in Korea and Malaysia, and right now they are in Singapore. Tualajas. Bread. Tualajas bread.
Magical milk cream bun.
We have pizza. You can select your dough, customize your dough, and we have Momo Latte ice cream over here. This is Momo Latte ice cream. So, seems that this is a popular bread, and this is fresh baked from oven. Fresh from oven. We have wanting kimchi over here, and the sugar coated fruits. Kangji sugar coated fruits. It's nice. Colorful. Hey guys, Rotiboy is back. We have a Rotiboy here. Smell pretty good. Rotiboy. Oh, this is freshly baked. Plain vanilla. It's actually a bagels. Oh, look at the cakes and the cupcakes. Looks delicious. Oh. Too many stuff. Oh, there's another Percolate, another bakery over here. Wow. Let's take a look. So, wow, this is nice. This is nice. Sticky date. Looks good. And ham and cheese quiche, mushroom quiche,
The first box
baby ham. Oh, this could be my favorite. Butter croissant, pistachio.
2 pistachio.
Wow, this looks good. Oh, they even have Earl Grey lavender. Wow. Okay, this is another street. We have Dough Magic here, which is pretty long queue. It's like Chinese pork burger. Chinese pork burger.
是在这里点还是前面点？在这边点还是前面点？
这边点。
Pretty cute. Crispy pork pancake.
Identify already lah.
And then you have all-in chicken burger.
Laying low. You just you're like.
Okay, right now we are at the Hawker Street. It's really very crowded inside. Nice deco of Singapore. They have a lots of tourists over here. So right now I'm reaching to the food side. It's very crowded because it's dinner time. Okay, over here we have banh mi, which is Vietnamese bread, and rojak. This is rojak stall, and she's making the rojak inside. The bread shop, Vietnamese bread, sandwiches. Just in time. She's making. Next we have Springly Prata Place. Yeah, it's also Michelin Guide. It's under Michelin Guide. The Prata Place. Curry, different curry. And this is the price of the prata. Brownie rice also. This is the brownie rice. And this is Jose and prata. Crowded at this time because it's really dinner time on a weekend. And then we have Hill Street Coffee Shop selling toast. And opposite me is Hua-Hin beef noodle. It's one of the popular beef noodles. It's the beef noodle order. And the Tai Seng fish soup is also under Michelin Guide. So fish soup. Look at the price. The price. And then we have Old Teochew Mee Siam Satay Bee Hoon over here. There's a variety. Mee Siam Mee Rebus. Mee Siam at $5. And this is, wow, looks good, the Mee Siam. The gravy, very good. Ramen King over here. Oh, it's very crowded. It's impossible for me to take. And then we have Fei Fei roasted noodle. It's also under Michelin Guide. And Yong Tau Fu. This is Yong Tau Fu. Lots of varieties. Hill Street Hainanese curry. Hainanese curry. Yeah. Looks good. People are packing tapao home. Chicken rice. Number one, top one, homemade noodle. Top choice. Yeah, Thai dynasty. And then Taiwan pork noodle. The famous popular pork noodle. And I always love the mee pok. Mee pok is nice. Signature is 10.50. It's really very popular. Yeah. Take a look at the food. Looks good. She's doing the noodle. Wow. And there's a long queue waiting. Okay, this is my ramen. I bought it from Ramen King. And this is Jours ramen with chicken thigh. Apparently, I heard the review is good. So I'm gonna give it a try. Looks good. It's the broth. Looks good. Not bad. The broth. It's quite good. Ramen. Yeah, so good. No wonder so many people queuing. I waited quite long for this. It's my chicken. Chopstick. The chicken meat is soft. Tender. Flavorful. Good. You can give it a try. Good. Huh? Onsen eat. My hub ordered the char siu noodles with additional noodles. Char siu. And this one is what? Sui gao. Wonton with noodles again. Char siu. And this is roast duck. Roast duck. It's a Michelin guide, so it must be good, right? And then this is the noodle. Juicy. Juicy. Really good, very good. Flavorful, juicy, tender. Outside the hawker street as mala. Oh, it's like chicken pie. Oh. Andy's pie. Hey, this is Andy's pie. It's like chicken pie. Smells really good. Joy, seeds of joy is all the nuts. You can buy your nuts over here. It's organic, by the way. All these are organic nuts.